In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating a provisioning profile notification extension in your Apple developer account. First, log into your Apple developer account and navigate to the Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles section. On the left side panel, click on the Profile tab to manage your app profiles. Now, click the plus button to create a new provisioning profile. Choose the App Store Connect option and click Continue. Select your app's bundle ID from the list of available options. Make sure you select the correct bundle ID. This time, it's Notifications Bundle. Next, select a certificate from the list of certificates you've created in the Apple developer account. Then click Continue. Provide a provisioning profile notification extension name. This name will be used to identify the notification profile in your portal. Make sure the name is clear and relevant to the app you're working on. With the provisioning profile notification extension created, you're now ready to use it for app distribution through App Store Connect or TestFlight. Remember to double-check that all details, such as the bundle ID, are correct before downloading. Once you've provided the necessary details, click Download to save the provisioning profile notification extension to your computer. Now go back to AppSpotter CMS and upload the provisioning profile notification extension.